Working in bioinformatics and dealing with a GTF file containing genomic annotations, these describe gene structures essential for genetic research worldwide. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to work with these gene transfer format files. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single powerful GTF file inspection tool. A user encountering a GTF file is typically a biologist or bioinformatician working with genomic data. Their intent is to open the file to view, analyze, or annotate gene and transcript structures on a reference genome. The file contains critical information about gene locations, exons, and coding sequences for research. The GTF is a tab-delimited plain text file designed for maximum interoperability between different bioinformatics tools. Each line represents a genomic feature and contains 9 mandatory fields, such as chromosome, feature type, and coordinates. This simple structured text format makes it easy to parse with scripts and view in standard text editors. The primary software for GTF is recognized as Integrative Genomics Viewer, IGV, developed by Broad Institute. The simple text-based structure is handled poorly by standard Windows applications. Windows can't decode structured data fully, so compatible tools are needed for comprehension. The problem is often a missing file hook. Right-click the GTF file and choose Open With. Start with Integrative Genomics Viewer, IGV, if available. If not, select another application from the list. When your GTF file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Before we proceed to the guaranteed fix, let's clarify the why. Here are the top technical explanations for the persistent GTF file error. First, opening in text editor. GTF files contain plain text and open in any text editor, including Notepad++, VS Code, or Sublime Text. View the tab-separated annotation entries with feature definitions and attributes. Use specialized bioinformatics text editors like AlloView or specialized viewers for more efficient browsing of large GTF files with millions of annotation lines. Next, loading in genomics tools. Import GTF files into bioinformatics applications, like IGV Integrative Genomics Viewer, UCSC Genome Browser, or Bioconductor R packages. These tools parse GTF annotations and visualize gene structures in genomic context. Use the loaded annotations for differential expression analysis variant interpretation, or comparative genomic studies in research workflows. Finally, programmatic processing. Process GTF files programmatically using bioinformatics libraries, like PyGenome tracks, GTF parse in Python, or our track layer in R. These libraries parse GTF format, extracting features into data structures, enabling custom analysis pipelines. Filter annotations by gene biotype. Chromosome or genomic region for targeted analysis of specific genomic features in large-scale genomics projects. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.